In this video, we're going to walk through how the global search feature works inside of Monolith. So what this feature does is it lets you search for anything within your Monolith tenant. So to open up our global search, we're going to hit Control F. That's going to open up our global search window. And from here, we can just start typing whatever it is we want to search for. So let's say I'm looking for an inquiry called band music. There it is. You can click it and pop right to that inquiry. Let's say I'm looking for Control F. Let's say I'm looking for a case called Project Alpha. We can do that. Again, we can click it and it'll take us right to that case. So you can launch this global search from anywhere inside of Monolith, and it will search anything in the system. So if you're looking for an evidence item, let's say I'm looking for an iPhone, you can find those evidence items here. You can see also it's picking up tasks that have the word iPhone in it, as well as acquisitions and even case documents. And if you also are looking for something specific, you put in a note. So this is text that I've written in a note before. This will pull up all the notes that has that text inside of it. So this global search is just a really handy way to find whatever you may need inside of your Monolith tenant really quickly. And all you got to do is hit Control F to open it anywhere inside of your tenant. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching.